I'm Ron Grant with Electro-Voice here at Sound Productions to talk about the new EV LRC series. LRC stands for Line Radiator Column. It's EV's solution to the passive column speaker market. There are three products in the family: the LRC 1060, the LRC 1100, and the LRC 2100. All three models come in black, white, and are paintable. They're all weatherized and come with every accessory you'll need to install them. All units come with a mounting bracket and a weatherized terminal cover. The mounting bracket allows you to mount directly to the wall and then comes also with an accessory that allows you to tilt. One of the key features of the LRC series is its ease of mounting. Once you have the bracket attached to the wall, like we have here on the speaker pole, you simply take it, slide it in, and then can let go. Then push it back and put the pin in wherever you need for the appropriate angle. The LRC 1060 has a 20-degree coverage pattern at 0 axis, 10 degrees up, 10 degrees down. The LRC 1100 and the LRC 2300, actually being larger units and typically mounted higher on the wall, will have a slight degree angle down from axis. On the LRC 1100, it'll be 5 degrees. On the LRC 2100, it'll be 7.5 degrees. What this allows you to do is not have to tilt the speaker so much and keep it up against the wall where it's visually more pleasing. The R in LRC stands for radiator. All of the models have radiators built in them, which solves the problem that most column speakers typically have, is that though they perform well in the high and vocal ranges, they don't do so well in the mids or lows. With the radiators, it helps give music in that lower end much richer sound. The 1060 and the 1100 in the line both have a 70-volt transformer. The 2100 is a two-way, so only functions at 8 ohms. One of the best features about the LRC series is the ease of mounting. The bracket, which is included with the product, allows you cavities to bring cable in from behind, plenty of mounting points to a wall, also strap slits so that you can secure it to a pole, light pole, or whatever without having to drill into it. This is the tilt, so I'd have this on the wall and I'd put the speaker on it and the speaker can tilt forward. And also included is a pan bracket so that I can pan the speaker back and forth and still tilt it. With this bracket, it helps get the speaker closer to the wall, which then helps the radiators use the wall to help produce mid and low frequencies, helping the acoustical performance of the speaker. The two key features for the LRC series is ease of install and the acoustical performance. Talk to SoundPro to find out which model will be best for your application.